Welcome to Tech Tree. Myself Vineet. In previous example, we have implemented double check locking, but still there are some problems that we have seen. Suppose if first time many thread came together in get instance method, they all will be blocked. So this is the problem. Now we will look into the implementation of static method using inner class. So let's do some practical and convert our double check locking implementation into static inner class. Here let me remove all this. We don't need this. We even don't need instance here. Let's create a static inner class which is called as helper class. Let's say, yeah, so I have created a static inner class, and this will we can call it singleton helper. This class will help us to create instance. Because this is static, so we can call it from get instance method singleton helper dot instance. Here we can see we don't need to implement synchronize method, synchronize block, or we don't need to define synchronize method. And this is a private static class, so this class will not be loaded until we don't call this a get instance method. So this will be only loaded whenever someone will call this get instance method. So this is also called fill push integration. So what are the benefit? Lazy initialization is possible. Singleton class is only loaded when get instance is called, and we don't need to implement synchronize block, so it is easy to implement and easy to understand. Let's run this example. Yeah, this is working fine because object is created only once. So this was the implementation of in singleton using inner static class. This is the best way to implement the singleton design pattern. Now we will look in next video we will look into some hacks of singleton. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.